Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to create React app using Vite. Vite is a fast and lightweight build tool that allow you to quickly create modern web applications. It supports many frameworks such as React, Vue and Angular, but in this video we will focus on creating React app with Vite. To create new React app with Vite, open your terminal commands and prompt and navigate directly where you want to create a React app. So just open terminal and go to your directory and hit a command to create a Vite React app. So first the command is npm create Vite @latest and hit this command. This command is help to create latest version of Vite React app. So it asks project name. We don't change project name, and we have to select React and we select JavaScript. So our React project is created successfully with Vite. First we have to install dependency. So for npm cd right. So now we are in the project directory. Then we install dependency. Dependency will be installed. It takes time according to your internet speed. Vite dependency is installed successfully. So first we open this project into the VS Code. So to open this project into VS Code, we write a command code space and dot and hit enter. It automatically open all our project into the VS Code. So our VS Code project is open. First we run the development server npm run dev. This command is used to run our Vite development server. So our development server is started successfully. Here you can say our Vite application with React.js is run successfully. So first we go to VS Code and open app.js and we just change something here to see changes. So hello world. So as you can see guys, our Vite React app is running successfully. That is for today video. We hope you found it useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more video like this. Thank you for watching.